If you're struggling to get views on your small YouTube channel, these hacks I'm about to share with you are going to transform your video views in less than no time. But before I share them, if you're seeing this video for the very first time, I would like you to hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notification so that you get notified each time I make a new video like this, because on this channel I make posts about YouTube marketing, social media marketing, digital marketing and branding, and how you can actually grow your business or your brand on the digital media. So feel free to hit the subscribe button and let's dive right in. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to make sure that you remix your long form videos into short videos. So I'm going to be first of all opening my YouTube one of my YouTube channels. So let's just scroll down to let's say, okay, this video, the power of thought. This is a long video. So this is actually a video from one of my YouTube channels, the power of your thoughts and beliefs, by Apostle Joshua Selman. So if you scroll, you're going to see after share, you're going to see remix. Click on remix, edit into shorts, and then you can see you can adjust it into 60 seconds. You can extend the timing. You can also adjust where you want the video to start from by just simply scrolling. What I'm going to do is I'll click on layouts first of all, because I edited this video on landscape, and so you can see that some of the text are being cut out. So but there's a way that can be fixed since we are creating a short, right? So I'm just we're just going to wait for it to load the link. Now you can see here there are different aspect ratios to play around with. You have split 2, split 3, split 1, single square. But personally I like using split 3 or split 1, right, because it allows you to have both the landscape form on top, and then you can also adjust the one below in form of a portrait form. You can see I'm zooming right into it, so it makes it look more crispy for shots. Okay, now you can see how this actually appears, and you can also play around with a lot of things. If you want to add some text, you can actually do that. If you don't want
I'm a big boy,
leave that out. You can also trim it if you want to. You can edit the thumbnail where you want the thumbnail to
everything
start from. So maybe I want it to start from to be this. So I'll just
are we together?
And then you have a voiceover. You can add other things as well as speakers.
I'm a big
Well, I'll leave that for now and just click on next.
boy.
Okay, now you can see that it is here. So what you can basically do is just to add your caption. So I can say powerful word by Apostle Joshua Selman. I like to add emojis just to create the whole emotional effect. Then hashtag Apostle Joshua Selman. You want to make sure that the tags you're using are related to the video. Alright. Sermon Koinonia Global. Alright, sometimes I could just add shorts, like more generic tags. I don't know if it will be enough, but I think scroll and wait. Alright, then if you can also adjust the thumbnail if you're not satisfied with what you have there. So I think I prefer this of him pointing. Great. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is make sure that the visibility is public. The location, you can choose to add a location if you want to. I can add Nigeria if I want to here, and then related video. Right now you come to related video, and then now look for the video where you got that from. Right, I know that video is quite far from here, so I'm just going to pick an error and let me just check for it. Okay. You want to get more views on that video. Great. The power of your thoughts. Great. So you can see that it highlights the title of the video. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is make sure my comments are turned on so people can comment. If it's an altered content, you can turn this on or not. By personally don't turn that on. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to hit on next and wait for it to load the short. So as you can see, it's currently processing. Okay, the processing is done and complete. So now you can see this
orders. Are we together?
So if you come down here, you will see powerful words by Apostle Joshua Selman as the title there. Then beneath the username city magnet, you see created from @citymagnet. That @citymagnet is the tag of the longer video. So if you click on the longer video there, it on the @citymagnet takes you to the longer video. And as you can see, this channel is currently monetized. That's why you can see the ads on it. You see the title, the power of your thoughts and beliefs. Now you see we were able to remix this long video into a shorter video. Now from the shorter video, we will get views that will drive traffic back to the longer video. You get the drill. So that's how it works. So you remix a short from the long video and it tends to get, like, let's say 50,000 views, 100,000 views on the short. Then people from now, imagine the number of people clicking from the short video to the long video to watch it. So you end up getting more people viewing your videos through your shorts. All right. Now the next setting I'm going to be doing, or the next thing I'm going to be doing, is simply let's go there again.
Orders, are we together? Whether spirit.
The next thing you can do is to pin a comment, the link to the longer video still in the comment section. So what I'm going to do now is just to click
whether spiritual
URL. So I just click on this, copy the link, and then
orders, are we together?
That I just created, and I can just say something really nice, or I can say Apostle Joshua Selman speaks powerful words of wisdom in this video. To watch the full video, and they click on the link. Then I post the link. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to pin the comment. You want to pin the comment. Now what this does for you is that when somebody views the video for the first time, they can actually see the comments that you actually pin in the comment section. So even if other people comment, they will see your comment pinned on top of other comments, so they can actually go from there and also watch the video. The next thing you can do here is to make use of the community tab. So basically, let me just show you what the community tab is. I'm just going to search for my handle here, City Magnet, right? Let's say I have 7,000 subscribers. Come to community, and you can see under community, you can see posts like you have your normal regular social media posts, the community, right? You can engage with people there on your community tab section. So you can see some of the things I do here. Can engage our audience on the community tab. So where was Jesus Christ born? And I just created a poll. So I'm going to show you how you can actually drive traffic to your videos through the community tab. So you just click on the plus on your phone. You can use your laptop, or you can use your phone. So click on the plus sign here, and then if you see, you're going to see videos, you'll see shorts, you'll see live, and then you'll see posts. I can come here and just be like, the most inspiring video you see today by Apostle Joshua Selman. Watch below. And then I just drop the link here, and then I could add a poll if I want to or not. So you can see these three icons here. All right, you can decide to add polls from there. Right, but I'm not going to be doing any of that since I'm just driving traffic to the video. So I'll just post and then click on view post. Great, now you can see that it's on the community tab, so you can see the most inspiring video you'll see today by Apostle Joshua Selman. Watch below, and then do this to arrest your thoughts and beliefs. Obviously, you have to make sure that your thumbnail is catchy enough to get people to want to click to watch the video. All right, so what this does is that the moment they click on the link on the video,
whether spiritual information or otherwise,
you can actually use this to skyrocket your views. Then the last thing you want to do to help increase your chances of getting your videos viewed by more people is to maximize or utilize playlists. So what I'm going to be doing is to show you how this looks like. So when you come to any YouTube channel, or your YouTube channel, for example, you're going to see the home, you see the video feed, you see the shorts, you see the live feed, you see the playlist, you see the community, which we just came out of the community tab. Yeah, so the playlist is before it. You can see here I have different playlists for different topics. All right, I have for Apostle Femi Lazarus, I have for Apostle Joshua Selman's shorts, there is a Apostle Selman and Arumel and the rest. So I can click here you see what this does is that it sorts out, organizes the videos of a particular topic in one space. And how this can help or impact your videos in the long run is that it can help to increase your watch time. So let's say now I click on this video and I'm watching this video, yeah, by Apostle Joshua Selman.
The best side hustle to do in 2024.
You can see I'm watching this video by Apostle Joshua Selman. I can also see other videos of Apostle Joshua Selman below. So now imagine now a user scrolling through YouTube, and then he sees your playlist being recommended because the algorithm actually pushes out your playlist, and the person starts watching one of your videos and the video finishes. The next video that is going to be playing is the next video you see here, how to recover lost years. When that is done, it will be how to hear the voice of God. When that is done, how to study the Bible, and it keeps on going on and on till the videos, the 55 videos on this playlist, are exhausted. All right, so now imagine what you may be posting about: social media marketing, branding, natural hair solutions, fashion, tie and dye, whatever you're posting about. You can actually sort out your content by topics in a playlist, so that once people start watching, it keeps them more. You're optimizing your channel to retain people more on the platform, and the YouTube algorithm loves it and will definitely push out your channel and your content to more people. So guys, let me know what you think. Try implementing these strategies, and let me know in the comment section, have you already been implementing these strategies? If yes, which of them have you been implementing? Let me know in the comment section. Have you been implementing the playlist, the community tab, the shorts, or been implementing the pinned comments in the comment section? Let me know in the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe for more videos like this and turn on the post notifications so that you will get notified each time I make a new video. Thank you. See you in the next video.